Hello everyone, this is Ishita, the legal intern at LexiQ. Today I'm gonna tell you guys about the Madhya Pradesh Freedom of Religion Bill 2020. The bill provides for a prison term of up to 10 years and a fine of rupees 1 lakh for conversion through marriage or by any other fraudulent means. The state cabinet approved the bill with the Home Minister Nathuram Mishra. The bill, in some ways, is similar to the Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Ordinance 2020 notified by the BJP government in the Uttar Pradesh last month, which too provides for a maximum punishment of 10 years imprisonment for fraudulent conversion even for the sake of marriage. Offences under the proposed law would be cognizable and non-bailable. The bill will seek to replace the Religious Freedom Act of 1968, would be tabled in the Assembly. The new legislation will prohibit conversion of religion or such efforts by misrepresentation, allurement, force, undue influence, coercion, marriage, or any other fraudulent means. Abatement and conspiracy of religious conversion will also be prohibited under it. Any marriages solemnized in violation of the proposed law would be considered null and void. Those willing to convert would need to apply to the district administration 60 days in advance. The religious leader facilitating the conversion would also have to inform about it 16 days before the marriage. Violation of these provisions would attract a jail term of 3 to 5 years and a fine of rupees 50,000. In case of religious conversion of members of scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes and the minors, a provision has been made for imprisonment of 2 to 10 years and rupees 50,000 fine. There is a provision of 3 to 10 years in imprisonment and a fine of rupees 50,000 in cases of marriages carried out by hiding religion, misrepresentation, or impersonation. In case of mass conversion of 2 or more persons, a prohibition of 5 to 10 years of imprisonment and a minimum rupees of 1 lakh fine has been made. Also, the repeat offenders would face 5 to 10 years of imprisonment, he said, adding that registration of any organization involved in such violation would be cancelled. Religious conversion in violation of this law would be considered null and void. Parents, legal guardians, brothers and sisters, or custodians of the converted person can lodge a complaint. Offences would be investigated by any officer not lower than sub-inspector's rank, and it would be responsibility of the accused to prove his innocence. The minister said that a child born to the victim's woman will be entitled to get maintenance under the proposed law. Such children would be entitled to inherit the father's properties too. Under the MP Religious Freedom Act 1968, it was stated that if a person was forced to convert, they could file a complaint to the police and the collector. The MP Freedom of Religion Ordinance 2020 states that if a person is converted under pressure, the person concerned, as well as his parents and family, can also file a complaint to the police and the collector. Governments in some other states have also decided to introduce laws aimed at preventing interfaith marriages. The Haryana government has also formed a 3-people member committee. Drafting will be to frame a law on the matter. Karnataka and the Assam government has also formed similar announcements. These actions are despite the fact that in February 2019, the centre told the Lok Sabha that no case of love jihad has been reported by any of the central agencies. So, we'll know better when the outcomes come. Now I would like to conclude. If you guys liked my video, please do like, subscribe and do comment on the video. Thank you.